The BLUM Airdrop Eligibility Checker is finally live. You can now currently check if you are eligible for the airdrop and, of course, what you need to do to be eligible for the airdrop. So, of course, welcome back to the channel. I'm Enoch Okedere and welcome back to another cryptocurrency video. As you guys know already, the BLUM Airdrop is coming this June. We already talked about it in the previous video that I made. Today is all about the eligibility checker, and I'm also going to tell you guys easy ways to make sure you get all of the steps done correctly. That is for some people that may be missing one step or number 2 steps or 3 steps. So there are a few ways that you can get those things done so you'll be eligible before Snapshot. Now, of course, the checker doesn't mean you cannot make it. This checker is just showing you where you stand before Snapshot will happen. And also do not worry, Snapshot will be commenced. I mean, the information will be passed across to us before it happens. So it will not just catch us like Rapture. So anyways, guys, let's get right into it. So of course, as you guys can see on my screen, it says, are you eligible for the BLUM airdrop? Now, this is from the BLUM community on Telegram, and it says find out in our official checker. Snapshot hasn't been taken yet, so you still have time to boost your stats and qualify. And also, they are trying a lot to kick out Sybil, bots, and cheaters from the airdrop eligibility checker. So please check it. If you have any problems, make sure you make an appeal. Now, this appeal is posted in the BLUM crypto community. We are also going to put a short link of it in our Telegram channel. So in case, the link will be in the description below, so you can join and just check everything right there right away. Now we're going to go straight into the BLUM app and go straight to the eligibility checker. As you guys can see, I clicked the link and it took me directly here. But of course, let's say you did not click the link. This is the home page. You can just scroll here and you're going to see the first thing on this news bar, this news dashboard is, am I eligible? So we're just going to click that. It there says your path to the BLUM drop, more than 100k BLUM points, at least 750 meme points or proof of activity, at least 2 referrals, and pass the Sybil check. Now check if you're in. As you guys can see, it says I am eligible. I've got more than 100k BLUM points. Of course, I have at least 750 meme points or proof of activity. I've got at least 2 referrals and I've passed the Sybil check. So of course, guys, now let's talk about it from the start. Let's assume you do not have more than 100k BLUM points. Now, this is very tricky. In my opinion, this is the hardest to get if you don't have it already. If you do not have 100k BLUM points, it's very difficult to have it because number one, let's go back. Number one, drop games has finally ended. 2, the amount of tasks that you can do currently is a little bit limited. For example, up here, you have only 1,500 BLUM points. Let's just say you get 5k up here. Social tasks, 450. It may not necessarily take you to 100k BLUM points. So I hope that there's nobody that actually needs to get 100k BLUM points, because I think everyone should have that currently. Everyone should have at least 100k. But of course, if you do not have it, then you can do most of this task. I'm very sure then you have lots of social tasks to do. You have lots of social tasks. You do on-chain tasks as well. Academic tasks, that's watching video and putting the code. Blum Beats, friends, farming, and all of this. You can just get BLUM points while doing this. Now, the next one is 750 meme points or proof of activity. Now, proof of activity is over. There's no more chance to do proof of activity. It was only for 1 ton, I think, or 2 tons, or maybe even less than 1 ton. If you've not done that, you can no longer do that anymore. The only chance you've got is doing 750 meme points. I've also made lots and series of videos on how you can get that 750 meme points. I'm going to put it somewhere in the corner. It's beautiful because if you do this, you're definitely going to get more than 750 meme points. In fact, you're going to get 3,750 meme points if you do the $10 trading on Memepad or on the trading bot. If you do that, you're going to get almost 3,500 meme points, which is more than enough than what you actually need. All you need to do is deposit, first of all, $10 worth of ton into your ton wallets. Of course, try to make it $12 in case of exchange rate so that you make sure you're trading up to $10. Now, you're going to just buy $10 worth of any cryptocurrency you can find in the Blum app. I already made a video about it, so I do not want to waste your time making another video about it again. I'm just going to put the link somewhere so that you guys can watch it. So you just do that exchange. As soon as you buy it, you can sell it back right away, and you're going to get your complete meme points bonus of almost 3,750, which is 3,000 for trading up to for your first trade ever, and 750 for trading $10 worth of tokens on the trading bot. So of course, that is that about the second one. And at least 2 referrals. You can just create a new account with your dad's phone, mother's phones, friends' phones, children's phones, anything, just to make sure you get those 2 referrals. Okay, create a Telegram account, send the invite to them, and then you should be able to get these 2 referrals easily. And the last one is pass the Sybil check. Of course, you cannot be a bot. If you're a bot, then you can definitely go to the Blum chat, which is over here, and appeal with this form over here. You just have to appeal that you are not Sybil. And why do you think you're not a Sybil? Then you write, because I'm a human being. How many Blum accounts do you have? Possibly just put 1. How many accounts is your wallet connected to? 1. Okay, and then you appeal, and then they should help you complete that last one. So guys, these are the few things I wanted to share with you guys today on the eligibility check. So of course, check yours and put some thoughts in the comment section. I'll be waiting right away. So don't forget to smash that like, hit that subscribe, and of course, once again, put your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be waiting for it. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Peace.